Hey guys, Daryl Dog here. And so after my last how to eat video was so well received and got such great feedback, I'm back with another how to eat, but this time of the meatier variety. Today, I'm going to teach you how to eat a corn dog. So first, what you're going to do is get the corn dog out of the freezer. Like so. Now because the corn dog was in the freezer, it has to get warmed up, and the easiest way to do that is putting it in the microwave. So get your corn dog out of the box, put it on a plate of your choosing. I'm gonna do paper because why not? And always want to follow the cardboard box's directions. This says to put in the microwave from 50 to 55 seconds. So make sure you do that. Put it in, close it, and check it. Put it between 50 and 55, 53 seconds. And now we wait. Oh my goodness, it's finished. Alright, so now that the corn dog is finished, you can take it out of the microwave. If you would believe it. Now you have your corn dog. Most of the frost is gone. If not, it's just sogginess to the corn batter that surrounds and encases the dog, but whatever. And so now that you have your corn dog, I like to have some dipping sauce of sorts to go with it. So go where you keep any of your sauces, the refrigerator, and I preferably choose ketchup, because why not? So, pour the ketchup out as you do. And then what you want to do, now this is the crazy part, you take your corn dog, right, it's still a bit hot, whatever, remove the stick, we don't need this, that's just unnecessary. And then, just put your corn dog, dip it in the ketchup, take a bite. Mmm. That's how it's done, alright? You don't need the stick. That's just extra and unnecessary. If you want something, grab it and take it by force with the unaided need of a stick. Anyways, this has been a Daryl Dog production. Hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe for more outstanding content just like this. Thank you, and see y'all later.